Hi there! My name's Candace and I'm going to show you how to make a fairy garden. So for those of you who have never heard of a fairy garden, it's a little pot or a place in your yard where you would arrange little plants and make a little scene or a garden where a fairy would live. So this is not practical, it's just for fun, and it's something the family can do together, especially at times like these when we're stuck in the house a lot or confined to our spaces and our yards. I think this could be a fun project for families to do together. So we're going to go through the steps of how to get the things you need for your fairy garden, how to plan the space, and also assemble it all. So 3 different steps, very simple, very easy. So step number 1, we are going to get the things that we need in order to make our fairy garden. So I chose to make a container garden, which is just a pot. I have a 9-inch terracotta pot and some potting soil. You can just get those things at the hardware store. And I also have 2 little plants I got at the hardware store, little vines and a little succulent. So small enough that you have planned where they're going to be in your pot and they're not going to overfill the space. So you want them to show up but not take up all the space because we're going to put some decor in there for fairies. So next thing is the decor. I've got some little moss covered rocks like this. And I have some little decorations, fairy, and a little door. And I got another small pot that I'm going to use to make a little house inside my pot. That's where the fairy's going to live. So what I do next is I want to plan out my space. So step 2, plan your space. You've got enough pot or little plants to go in your pot, and any little decor that you have, you want to make sure that you have enough space to put it in there and it's not going to overfill your space. So I'm going to go ahead and plan that out. I think I want to put my plants back here and put my little house over here, and then I'll have enough space to have a little path and the little fairy decor that I bought. So we're going to assemble the next 3rd step. Okay, we're going to put our plants in here. Plants are going to go right down in the dirt. You can keep them in the containers. You can plant them into the dirt, however you choose, however many different containers you want to use. But it's very simple. You just move some dirt around, put your plants in there where you want them to be. Okay, so plants are in there how we want them to be. Okay, now we want to put our little house in there. Okay, little house. So the house is going to be right here. Fairies are going to live in there. Okay. I'm also going to put a few little mossy covered rocks in here. Just kind of hide some of the space here of the containers. Don't want to see the edges of the containers. You can kind of clean it up with decor like that. And then what I want to do next is I want to have a little pathway. So I'm going to use some little stones that I got from the store and make a path for the fairies to walk on. Okay, so a little path right here for fairies to walk up to the door. Okay, so we'll put our little doorway here going into our fairy's house. Very simple. And our fairy is going to live in the garden. So we're going to put her in here next to the house, and also a little sign here that says fairies welcome, so other little fairies know that they can come and live in the garden. So as you can see, it's very simple, very easy to assemble. And if you put live plants in here, you just want to make sure that you read the tags that come with the plants. They're usually sticking in the pot. It'll tell you how much water they need, if it needs to be outside and get sunlight so that, the plants won't die. So we have gone through all of the steps here of what you'll need and kind of where to go to get them, and then how to plan the space according to the decor that you bought and how to put it all in the pot and care for it. So this is something fun you can do with your family in times that we're stuck at home. And kids do like doing this. I have done this with my kids, and this is something that they get into very quickly. And it's something you can do every day together. If you plant some little plants inside the pot, or you can make it a daily ritual to go outside and water the plants together, and it gives you something to look forward to in times like this. So it's a nice little diversion and something to do to have some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.